what's up? It's Gelo. I'm a 17-year-old Filipino YouTuber who do lifestyle, fashion, DIYs, vlogs, random videos. So if you want to be a part of the hashtag Gelo fam, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll link it right over here, and also the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I post a new video like this. So this has been one of the most requested videos that you guys sent me through Instagram messages or even comments on YouTube. And with that, I'll be doing my 2018 skincare routine. But disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist at all forms, so these products might work for me, but that doesn't mean that they will work your skin as well. By the way, my skin type is oily, so I have to deal with a lot of like pimples, impurities, blackheads, oils, a lot more. So this skincare routine will help me to lessen these impurities and to clear my skin out and to clean my skin in general. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. So throughout the day, my skin feels so groggy and gunky. So the first step that I'll be doing is of course to wash my hands because there are a lot of like bacteria in my hands, and to wet my face with lukewarm water. So for my cleansing bar, I'll be using my Shea butter from Dove. This has been one of the greatest cleansing bar that I've tried because it's very mild and perfect for my skin, because sometimes my skin is very picky when it comes to cleansing bar. So to deeply penetrate the product, I'll be using this sponge that I got from Watsons. This is only I think for 89 pesos. Meron siyang parang maliliit na brushes that really helps to penetrate the soap into my skin even more. It really removes all the gunks and impurities into my skin, so I recommend to use this product as well. But please make sure that do not rub your face vigorously because it can create wrinkles, which we do not like. So make sure to rub your face gently with this product. And I'll just rinse off immediately with tap water. So for my scrub, I'll be using the St. Ives Apricot scrub. This really helps to really remove all the gunks and impurities to my skin because it has this like beads that really removes any dead skin cells, which is great because it really shows your real skin, your glowy skin, plus it soothes out your skin. By the way, I usually use this product twice or thrice a week because over exfoliation will make your skin very dry. And after this, I will just immediately rinse off with the tap water to remove all the soapiness into my face. The cleansing part is now already done, and then the next step is to tap or to pat my face with a dry towel because, you know, it's wet, so you need to pat. Yeah, pat. And then to top it all off, I'll just immediately brush up my teeth because hygiene. To start off with the products that I use every single night, I'll be using this Master Anti-Pimple Toner, which has salicylic acid to prevent pimples and to cure acne marks. Yes, science. Also, this product helps to lessen the dirt or excess dirt to our face. I will let this toner dry and penetrate to my skin even more before I put my next step. Just like the exfoliator, I usually use this once or twice a week. This is the Mumuso Black Pearl Gel Eye Mask because, to be honest, my bags has gotten a lot worse throughout those months because, you know, schoolworks plus sleepless nights equals big eye bags. So this helps to lessen the puffiness and to lessen the darkness under my eyes. And that is that. So low. After 20 minutes, I'll remove it and I will use my Badescu Aloe Facial Spray. This really helps to lock in the moisture and the nutrients to my skin. Plus, it really hydrates my skin even more. While I let this thing dry, I'll immediately put my favorite lip balm from Vaseline. Congratulations! To top it all off, my final step for my skincare routine is this Nature Republic Aloe Vera Gel. Just like what I've said, this has been one of my holy grail products because it really removes many pimples, many bumps, acne marks, acnes, everything. It really smoothens out my skin tone, everything as in talaga solid. So I think you should try this thing out. Of course, I usually put this to my eyelashes and to my eyebrows as well. So that's skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will link it right over here to be a part of the hashtag GeloFam and to be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. And as always, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!